Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Confidence in English. I'm Anna, and I'm here with Tom.
Hello, Anna. Hello, everyone. It's great to be back. Today, we have a very useful topic that you can use every single day.
That's right. We're going to practice talking about our day. In our last lesson, we learned many words for our daily routine. Today, we will use those words to make simple sentences. This is great practice.
It is. And before we start, please remember to subscribe to our channel, Confidence in English, and share this episode with a friend. It helps us a lot. Okay, Anna, let's begin.
Let's start with the morning. Tom, can you tell me about your morning in simple sentences?
Sure. First, I wake up at 7 a.m. After I wake up, I get out of bed.
You wake up and get out of bed. Perfect. What do you do next?
I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth and wash my face. Then I go to the kitchen. I make breakfast.
Brush my teeth, wash my face, make breakfast. These are all great sentences. I have breakfast at 8 a.m. I usually eat an apple.
An apple is a healthy breakfast. After breakfast, I get dressed. Then I leave the house. I take the bus to work.
Take the bus. That's a new one. Great job, Tom. Let's quickly review the morning sentences. I wake up at 7 a.m. I brush my teeth. I make breakfast. I have breakfast. I take the bus to work.
Okay, Anna, what about your afternoon? What do you do at work?
At work, I work on my computer. I write many emails. At 1 p.m., I have lunch with my friends.
You work on your computer and you have lunch. That sounds like a normal work day.
Yes, it is. In the afternoon, I sometimes drink a cup of tea. I like tea. Then, around 5 p.m., I finish work.
Drink a cup of tea and finish work. Very good. After I finish work, I go shopping for food. I buy vegetables for dinner.
Go shopping. That's a very useful phrase. Let's review the afternoon sentences. I work on my computer. I have lunch. I drink a cup of tea. I finish work. I go shopping.
Now for the evening. Anna, what do you do when you go home?
When I go home, I like to relax for a few minutes. Then I cook dinner.
You relax and you cook dinner. What do you do after dinner?
After dinner, I wash the dishes. It's not fun, but it's necessary. Then I talk to my family.
Wash the dishes and talk to my family. That's lovely. I like to watch TV in the evening.
Me too. And before I sleep, I read a book. Then, at about 11 p.m., I go to bed.
You read a book and go to bed. That's a perfect full day. This is how we talk about our day in English.
Lesson review and practice. That was great practice, Tom. We used so many important phrases in full sentences.
We did. Now it's your turn to practice. Try to make simple sentences about your day. You can write them down.
Yes. For example, you can write, I wake up at 8 a.m. I have lunch at 1 p.m. I go to bed at 11 p.m.
Exactly. Every sentence you make helps you build your confidence in English. Don't worry about mistakes. Just try.
Well, that's all for today. We hope you enjoyed practicing with us.
Thank you for listening to Confidence in English. If you found this lesson helpful, please subscribe so you don't miss our next one.
And please leave a comment below. Write one sentence about your day in English. We would love to see your practice.
Until next time, keep practicing. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye for now.